move to a new house, or need to correct your billing information. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to update your billing address in the Klarna app. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Keeping your billing address current is crucial for payment verification and ensuring your statements go to the right place. Open the Klarna app and tap on the Person icon or Account tab to access your profile settings. Look for Personal Information or Settings. Within this menu, you should find an option for Addresses or Billing Address. Select it and choose to edit your existing address. Enter your new, correct billing address and save the changes. This new address will be used for future purchases and account communications. A crucial pro tip: if you have an active purchase where the payment is pending, updating your address in the settings might not automatically update it for that specific order. For important purchases, double-check that the correct billing address is selected at the checkout stage. And just like that, your account information is accurate and secure. Updating your billing address is a simple but important maintenance task. How often do you check to make sure your billing info is up to date across all your apps? Let us know in the comments. To track your spending, watch our next video on how to view your Klarna transaction history. Thanks for watching.